right, back here on Randy's El Camino. We have our balancer. Our brand new balancer is in. Have our crank pulley already on it. Kind of got our water pump pulley mocked up a little bit. I do need to move our belts back one, but it is mocked up. It is there. I mean, this is obviously sitting at an angle because we had to do our fan and a shroud and all of that. Exhaust manifold gaskets. I have the passenger side in. They're not torqued down yet. They are in and seated. Get ready to do the driver's side here in a little bit. Get that all handled. And our carburetor also showed up today too, so we will swap that out as well. Right, so got all of our vacuum caps, everything all set to go here. Fresh carb is on. I do need to just shorten this. I'm just gonna run it to here now. So that's done. The belts are tensioned. I do have to tension our steering still, so I'll do that quick. Then we're gonna fire this up, let her get up to temp. Let's get the shrouds on as well. Once she is up to temperature, go around the block a few times, come back, drain the oil, and then it's ready to go. Happy baby. Leaking around the... Wow. Indeed. Anyway, we're up and running. Fresh carb. Shroud on. We're looking peachy keen. Very nice. I'm stoked. I'm happy for him. It's good.